Yo, when niggas wanna play me, I say play me. When niggas wanna play, I hate they play me, play me, play me. I say hate is a strong word. Hate I don't hate, I only love. Let the blessing fall from up above. Who is giving me his tender love? Yo, giving me a kiss and give me your hugs. No, I'm real, I'm the real deal. Your joy I wanna give you, your joy I don't wanna steal. Some of them talk, I don't care how you feel. Cause you don't even know you're gonna get the next meal. Run up your mouth cause I know that you're hungry. Sit down on my name, you mumble and tumble. That can't stop me, man. I keep moving to Hollywood. I keep on telling them, man. Moving up, moving up. I'm climbing like I'm climbing a ladder. I gotta get to the top. See me in the sequence and ladder. Yeah, the style is so sharp. Man, they talking out the face. Can't see me come back. I'm right on the spot. Lyrical sense, I'm dropping it at. I bet you wanna talk, I'm the livestock. They don't wanna talk, I'm filling up the gap. Somebody talk like they got crutches. Them sitting every day like them sucking sachets. They come on YouTube running them out. Can't even make a commercial break. You know what I'm talking about? Running them out like a damn fool. Can't make a dollar, can't make shit. Then they sit down every day, them out like shit pit. Come on here talking all kind of shit. Talk about the general, they're the queen. I am the queen. Get out my way. No matter how you try, nigga. You can always put me in the backseat, but always on first line. I'm always on first line because you're all mind full up of slime. Can't stop me like that. Can never sit on my grind. Every day I get up on his hustle time. Yeah, bad mind can't stop me. Bad mind don't freeze me. Bad mind don't even make me smile on my face. Cheese like a grill on my teeth. Yo, don't worry about me. My heart is good. Never carry no hate in my heart to full up of eat. My heart ain't cold, man. I ain't sell my soul, man. Don't worry about me, nigga. I'm good. I'm chiseling. I'm nizzling, man. Next step to Hollywood, you know what I mean. All they want to sit and talk, man. They ain't got no lyrical. They had to come to the queen. Come to me, you know what I mean? Seek what I mean. Yo, I find the words to fit in the gap. It's like a hurt, like a bust a shot, like I fought up my ass and you never come back. Poop, let it out, boy. You better hold that. So they talking out the game, man. But they never know that we getting real fame, man. Outside the shit is never a game, man. All they act like they love it, some of them can't tame, man. They want water fall out your eye like rain, man. How you want to shield it? God in your heart, have to heal it. So the shot and the gunshot, they want you to feel it. 6 foot under, they want to write your will. Still, they want to collect your money and live on still. Yeah, you see the hate from a distance. The more you rise, the more they want to see you fall. The more you climb the wall, they watch you like a humpy dumpy waiting for a great fall. But that's the time you know you got to stand tall and climb up to the mountain. You never look back, because when they sit in and talk with a mouth full of chat and some of them looking like they're smoking crack, and right now you know the style, you never turn back because you first in line. I don't worry about them when they're talking about me, about me, about me. Worry about them when they're talking about me, about me, about me, about me, about me, about me. Rise, I'm rising, man, to success, man. Don't like me, man. I just finished my laundry, everything clean. I'm the best, man. Yo, ain't a niggas on my mind to come stress, man. Bitch, get out my way if you wanna come take set, man. I say, yo, I gotta make $1 million to $1 trillion. I gotta buy a big house. I gotta get a damn million. You wanna sit and talk with your mouth still sticking to a dick that you never know, like a treat in your mouth. Bitch, you're sitting sucking cock every day. Can't you realize that you're joining the goddamn scout? You wanna sit and run your face. You don't wanna come face me. Cause blood on my taste like a sacrifice. You never know my life could get so right. Bitch, you're watching me now. You wanna come and fight. Run up your mouth and try to big up your chest for a strike. But I tell you what, I strike you like a dynamite. I strike you like a dynamite. I strike you like a dynamite, bitch. You wanna talk about, you wanna get some hype. Yo, I see you from far in the distance as you're coming with hate in your face. You're trying to take me out my place to find yourself to replace. But I tell you, bitch, get out my face. It can't be that. I can't be race. Yo, I love you.